What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've done a mukbang. And I really promise I'm back. I'm here to do them. I'm here for them. I still love food. I'm obsessed. And I have something special for you today for my first time back. I have horse. This is horse. This is horse meat. I love it. It is something that Tongans eat a lot of when they can. I definitely wanted to mukbang this. And then I think we got taro. I'm pretty sure this is taro. If it's not taro, make fun of me. Go ahead. Think I care? No, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is. Usually I eat it. Usually I get it with manioke. Manioke is like cassava, I think is what it's called, or yuca. Anyway, I love horse. So good, and of course got some Diet Coke. Let's go. Let's get. You want a closer look, guys? Can I speak? Yum 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 yum. All right, focus back on me, and here we go. I'm so hungry. So the way this is prepared is make fun of me again if I'm wrong, because I've never made it, but coconut milk, mayonnaise, onions. I think there's like red pepper flakes in here. Give it a little kick, which I love. This is so fire. This is so good. And honestly, everyone that I've tricked into trying it, which I've tricked a lot. I've told a lot of people like, hey, you want to try this, and without really telling them what it is, and I tell them after. Some people have like, yeah, it's horse. If you're gonna be a bitch about it, be a bitch about it. But if you want to try it, it's really good. They've all liked it, so and I'm sorry if you hear like the door, the front door open close. Okay, these might be frozen and they might explode on me. I'm scared, but I'm thirsty. Let's see which outweighs my fear or my thirst. What was I saying? How good horse is? It's so good. It's definitely like gamey. Like it's more tough. But I love the flavor, and people can eat pigs and cows and chickens. I know horse is like pets and stuff to people, but I'm pretty sure cows and chickens and pigs are pets to people in other countries, so whatever. So good. Salad! So what's new with everybody? What's new with y'all? What is new? I haven't published anything since my 30th birthday vlog, and I am slacking. But I got a lot of different things coming up. The thirst. It was the thirst. The thirst one. I got a lot of different things coming up. Oh my gosh. I started dating someone. So there's that. BRB. All right, we're back. So yeah, started dating someone. He just got here. I have a lot of content planned in the works for this month. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff in December ready for. I have to obviously film, and then edit and publish for you guys. Are you ready for Christmas? Because I'm not. I definitely am not. I have so much shopping I need to do. This weekend, that is my weekend. It is like. And I need to make a list. I really need to write down things. And people. And all things. And all the people. Oh. I wonder if I could make it like a burrito with this. That'd be interesting. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna want it with. Honestly, I wish I had manioke, but this is great. Manioke is definitely my favorite thing to eat this with, though. Yum. Yum, yum. So yeah, I'm sorry, I've been slacking on everything. My Christmas shopping, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's so good. Dancing over it. Uh-oh. Just trying to make sure that I don't get the hiccups. Alright. I gotta like proportion this so that. Is that a word? Did I just speak English? Was that right? I'm over second guessing that I said the right word. I'm just trying to make sure I have enough horse to taro here. Such a one of my favorite meals. Well, with manioke. Have I mentioned that I like to eat horse with manioke? I'm making a mess over here. People always ask when I talk about this, is like, where do you even get it from? I'm like, I don't know. I've never had to kill one. I've never had to make one. I've never had to make it. Wow. Words. So I don't really know the process that people go about to get horse. I'm just grateful that they do. and then make it. And then I buy it, buy a plate, and here we are. Ooh, I'm getting full. Which is perfect, because I'm almost finished. Trying to get away? Oh my gosh. We can do it. We can do this. We're doing it. We did it. Whew. Yeah, I am getting full. Yum, 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 yum. Nickelodeon. I know I usually drink water, but I needed a Diet Coke to wash this down. My gosh, I've been talking in accents so much lately randomly because I've been watching Zumbo's Just Desserts on Netflix. Season 1 was better. They took it off. I'm explaining my life right now. And then The Great British Baking Show. I love that show. So between those two, because one's in Australia and one's in Britain. Was that good? No. Yeah, I've been like randomly talking in accent lately. Last like week, 2 weeks. Mm-mm-mm. I'm glad I didn't like bust out too much. Or maybe I should, so there's like comments that everyone talking shit about it. I don't want that piece. I don't know why. I can't tell you why. I just don't. I looked at it and I was like, no. I don't want you. You feel me? Do you get that? Do you get what I'm saying? That we're almost done here? Huh. There was like a seed from the pepper in there. I was dying. I don't know why. All right, give me this. We did it. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me eat the horse and taro. That I still am not sure if that's what it was, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Yeah, I'm back. Don't worry. I'll continue to be publishing mukbangs and other things Monday, Thursday. So don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I publish more content. Wow, I'm like stumbling over my words. Ugh. If you've been here before, you know it happens to me all the time. Love y'all, and take care.